Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D here, and today we're going to discuss what it's like to work with my company on the first call, what it looks like, what you can expect. Here we go. Hey guys, Donnie D back at you. Welcome back again. Thanks for tuning into the video. So today we're going to talk about when you call my company, you're going to be dealing with me and what that's like, how I can help you with your project, and what you can expect when you contact me and my company. So first step is when I get the phone call, usually I answer the phone unless I'm out of town or whatnot, but usually I answer the phone Monday through Friday from about 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. or so. Feel free to call anytime though and leave a message. And if I don't answer, I usually call back that day before 8 p.m. And when you do call, here's what you can expect me to say to you. So basically, I'm just going to need all your information sent to my email, along with a couple photos of the project and just a brief idea and summary of what you want to have done on your project, okay? Once I get that, we'll schedule a phone call that works in a time that works for you, and we'll discuss the whole project. Once that all makes sense, I will actually come out what we call an on-site consultation. A lot of people call an estimate, we call it on-site consultation. Depending on your location, there will be a fee for that. It may or may not be a fee. I can't get, put a for sure on it, but it depends on the location, the distance from where you are to my office here. So again, the on-site consultation may or may not be a fee. It really depends on your location. And the amount of the fee really depends as well. But basically, we'll usually, when we go out to site, unless it's a large project, most of the time, on most projects, I can give a price right there and then, or within about a week or so, I'll have you a price all put together if it's a big bathroom model. But if it's a small project, like a backsplash or a shower floor or something like that, usually I can have a price for you right there and then. For the original phone consultation, I can usually give you a ballpark and tell you what other people have invested in a project like yours or similar in the past to help you on your buying decision. So I hope this video helped you out. Know what to expect when you contact me and my company. I look forward to helping you, and I will see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.